Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some condensed milk rusk. What a rusk is twice baked bread or cake that is often dipped into tea or coffee or any other hot beverage. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To start, sift 1.5 kilograms of self-raising flour, add in a large pinch of salt, and 10 ml of cream of tartar. Mix until well combined. In a pot over medium heat, add in 375 grams of butter, 500 ml of milk, 125 ml of sugar, and 1 tin of condensed milk. Mix throughout. Don't bring this mixture to the boil, you just want the butter to melt. After the butter has melted, allow this mixture to cool down slightly. Then add the flour mixture to a bigger bowl. Then add the lukewarm milk mixture. Mix slightly with a spoon. Then, using your hands, knead the dough for 10 minutes. The dough should be soft and elastic. This dough does not need to proof since it has no yeast in it. Cut the dough and form into the shape of the tin. This is not the traditional way, but I found making oblong balls and stacking them into a baking tin is not the way for me, but you can do that if you want. Place the dough into a lined baking tin and push the dough into the corners and flatten out. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. Allow it to cool for 20 minutes, then remove the dough from the tin and remove the baking paper. Cut the bread in half. Then cut each half into slices. Or another option is to cut the bread into slices, then cut those slices into wedges. Place the cut pieces onto a cooling rack. Place the cooling rack into the oven at the lowest temperature the oven goes to. We are drying them out. I did this for about 2 hours, but ovens do vary, so leave them until they are completely dry and hard. Enjoy with a hot beverage.